What's the word, BTR Mafia? We back again with another video. I haven't been here forever. What's up? What's up? What's up?
Y'all know me now. Y'all know who in the building. BTRJ.
You already know who it is, dog. Support this video, dog.
And we're here with a reaction today.
Like always.
Hey man, we come out with vlogs though, so stay tuned. Stay tuned. We've been grinding. We wanna BTR shit. Broke to rich.
Hey,
what's reaction to though?
Alright, we got RMC Mike, Lil Yachty,
Come on, man.
YNJ,
Yes, sir.
and
Louie, that's my boy.
Flintana.
Let's see what's swimming. Mad they ain't put Rio on it.
Man,
On me.
dog.
Ooh.
He would have tore that bitch.
He would
Man,
have tore
but dog,
that beat up.
But RMC Mike, for sure gonna go crazy on this bitch. I'm telling you right now, RMC Mike gonna go. I'm gonna come
Me
hard
and
for
Louie
the
go
Rio.
crazy.
that's what
Yeah, no. Disclaimer: this song was made at night.
That caddy.
60 million streams is a go, already got 40. Wanna pop and see you to the sky with this Glock 40. First time I seen a dope say I was in Pop Warner. Louie don't take the whole 30, he just pop quarter. 20 racks on my bitch, she called me Chatty. I got it out twice, I need a meal from all three families. Make my van get high together, hey, call me Andy. Lately I've been texting like a bitch, you can call me Sammy.
My first deep as hell, he might be my dad. Finna get his little bitch some dick like she never had. Fuck the 4 hoes in 3 hours, call another cab. This bitch done drunk the whole bar, I need another tab. Beating up, pussy with my left, do another jab. Bro, them just shot another op, cook another
Hey,
crab.
he in that shit, he in that shit.
I wonder where they at.
Now you're
I
funny.
mean, that's my man.
Niggas talking paper, they ain't.
Hey, Yachty came hard. You know, Yachty album, his shit was trash.
Of course. That
I
he
ain't
only
even-
had like one good
I ain't even
song.
listen to it, bro.
Nah, not me either though. But chill on my nigga Yachty though.
But it was
Yeah,
trash.
Yachty, bro. Yeah.
Yachty called her, but
I feel like
gotta
Yachty
listen
is
to it.
like
I
a
gotta
cool
get
ass
this.
nigga though, but his music like he fell off though. But he a cool ass nigga for sure. Like I rock it, you feel me? I fuck with my
Got
nigga.
it, that shit made me mad. I just made 20,000, that shit made me glad. I just fucked my main bitch mama like that can't be dad. 40 make his body get the glitch and I just made him mad. I said you wanna do a feature, nigga, pay me half. I be giving Keisha big nugs, I got Katie, man. I just hit the road with 2 bows and a Macy, man.
Burn the car outside the spot where I'm here. About Glock fire 2 or 3 shots in the air. I ain't high. I'm just letting niggas know that I'm aware. 17 rubbers on me to the hoes. I'm prepared. And a couple hoes sitting at the spot, but they scared. I been dog when they never said shit if I was there. If I go to bust laying down
weird,
nine, that's a
bro.
nickel. Good
Oh,
shots
me.
in your family.
Dog,
He got on.
dog.
Hold on.
This nigga got on shorts, nigga compressions. Like boy, you might
Only
go to
he
LA
got on
Fitness.
compression pants with
Like
the
dog.
jersey.
Get him
Like
out of
he-
here, coach.
Like he finna hop on the
Yeah.
court.
Dog.
What is that?
Scared. I been dog when they never said shit if
And he got
I
on
was there.
a
If I
full
go to
hat
bust
and a white, bro. What? Nigga, long socks, boy.
What the hell?
Oh my
What are you
Long
doing?
socks, shorts,
dog.
shirt.
This nigga.
laying down nine, that's a nickel.
Like about to
And when you got a basketball
Soccer or
game at
something.
5, but you got a video shoot at. Get his dumb ass.
And then his belt was pink.
He got
and
a
red.
belt on too?
Good shots in your family. You all knowing it's spirit.
Yachty got some earrings in his ear that'll blind your eye. Woke up at 8 and made a 10 before 9:05. Bitch just ain't enough, I'm finna line up 5. Trap money got me high as fuck, I can't find a rhyme. Do this in my sleep, I spice talk with no fucking effort. Went to church, prayed for my sins, then served a reverend.
Oh my
Freaky bitch,
God,
lost on my
bro.
dick when I swerved a Tesla, 40-round clip on that chop, yeah, the curve is extra.
1 gram bottle with no pain, yeah, it cost me extra. Fuck the model bitch with dry throat, so I gave her a leg roll. Latin bitch with a long nose and like snow Allegra. Fuck the life fuck, now she wishing that she never met you. Little bitch on Kevin Federline, in eccentric. Pull up with a baby chop, with a suppressor. Pull up with a white coat, like a professor. F with no scope, sit on the dresser.
Okay.
Bro.
Oh,
I'm mad as fuck they didn't put Rio on there.
Man,
Oh,
Rio
God,
would
bro.
have
I
came
swear
crazy.
to God, bro.
Rio would have
Oh,
came
my
crazy though.
God,
Rio would have came, bro.
Rio-
Rio would have came crazy, dog.
Rio
Bro, this would have been trending damn near, bro.
Dog.
This would have
Yes.
never been trending,
That's
bro.
what I mean,
Thank you,
1
bro.
million views.
On me, bro. I swear. You throw Rio on this
Rio
bitch,
go
it's for
hard.
sure guaranteed 3
Nah,
million views.
No,
Guaranteed.
No diss to YNJ, but
Yeah, hell yeah. I ain't fucking with him on this one.
take him off and put Rio on. You feel me?
Yeah.
They probably coming for Rio.
I just hit him in his Yale, you heard me. I was really in the streets, I ain't watch cartoons. Keep it close, I young bro, then I gotta watch my in his Titty bird grabbing titties, let me see them boobs. Turn the TV on channel 12, I think he made them new. Round with a lot of old hunters, this shit can't get. Pass me the motherfucking gun if you ain't good.
Okay, I sell dope and tote big straps, you know I fuck around. We gon' get some money off the rap, cause it's enough around. I ain't famous shit, but she gon' still let me bust her down. To the street,
Oh, this nigga.
street come and beat you. Drag race through the A where they're arrests. My team stay loyal through the bumps, it's impressive. Somebody wanna fuck me every night, that's suspect. Let my last bitch change her lifestyle, it's unaccepted.
What's up?
Oh, is that Yachty?
Bro, the beats, all the Detroit beats is automatic.
Oh, Detroit, you trying to do a freestyle?
Hold on.
Freestyle.
We do totally with her head, now she throwing up.
Now she throwing up, 2-3, what she throwing up? Pull up to your party, nigga Glock, get the throwing up. You about to freestyle?
Shit, I thought we all about the freestyle.
I already bet. If you ever, cause Jason telling me that you don't freestyle.
Shit, I really don't.
I freestyle, of course. I know me. I don't know me. I suck at freestyle.
Are these eye drops?
I don't know. I don't know.
I could never love a bitch, I just be running game.
I just be running game. Go 70-60 for the 3, I was like, dang.
Pull up from deep range, like I'm dang.
Hey,
Dang, dollar on the beat, bitch.
Hey,
About to spit some fucking heat, bitch.
hey,
And your bitch, she on my meat, bitch.
hey. But she about to lick the team, bitch. About to fuck a team, BTR, that's the mafia. Goofy ass hoe, I'ma hit her in her mama, yeah.
I'ma hit her in her mommy, yeah. Put the dick where she can't breathe, I'm like a Tommy, yeah.
Ooh, oh, now I got that Tommy on me, ooh. Young nigga, I got that mommy on me, ooh. I don't know where I'll go with that. Look, a
We're
milk.
on different beat. Oh, yeah.
Bro, go to energy.
Nah, I can't be tight beat. Why you on that?
Hey,
Why she on that? Bitch, I'm like, like, why you on it? I don't want shit. Head. You better give me bread.
So that bitch give me head, bitch, don't fucking test me. Goofy ass hoe, and I'm riding in a Tesla. He don't want that Tesla, he want that Durango. Yeah, hit her with her mango.
Stop the same, know you bitch niggas like you are Kelly.
Ooh, made 13 plays like I'm R. Kelly. Goofy ass hoe, I'ma hit her in the belly.
Hit her in the belly with my dick, now she throwing up.
Hey.
Got her on the toilet with her head, now she throwing up.
Now she throwing up, 2-3, what she throwing up? Pull up to your party, nigga Glock, get the throwing up.
Glock get the throwing up, bullets hit the flow, and you niggas dead body.
I just popped the perk, I just went super sane. Pull up in the block get the spraying. I just spit the block, not one time, 2 times. Goofy ass hoe, I'ma hit her with these new 9s. 2 9s, call me Jay Carter with these 2 9s on my freaking back, cool 9s, throwing all these cool 9s like I'm Sasuke, Gucci ass hoe, and I ate her like Hobache, and I ate her like Hobache, hey, cocky.
Yeah,
alright, that's it for the video.
just a little quick freestyle.
I'll come hard next time.
I'll come on next time.
Alright,
Shit was
don't forget to
trash.
like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, man. Everybody start posting more videos.
Yes, sir.
We're coming with more vlogs, so be tuned for the vlogs. You know, if you watching us right now, you mean you dedicated. I mean, I ain't gonna say dedicated, but
Part of the mafia, nigga. That's
exactly
what you
part of
mean.
mafia slop shit.
Channel coming soon, my boy.
Coming to you soon.
Yes,
Hey,
sir.
if y'all want to learn more about Forex, hit me up on Instagram.
Come on, man.
Right here.
God,
We're
keep
making
this in my head.
make it
Let
real
me
money
know,
over
bro.
here.
Instagram.
Look at me real
You sitting right here making money right now. Why shooting the video, man? Come
Exactly.
on, dog. You could be doing the same thing, bro. Come on, bro. Just slide in our DMs, bro. Come on, man. That easy, bro.
Yeah, we'll get you set up if you want to learn.
Too easy, bro.
All right, that's it for the mafia. Stay tuned for more videos, and we out.
Yes, sir.
Of course.